Huh. What? Oh. Yeah. Hey, think it'd be a good idea to burn on a windy day like this? Maybe that would maybe not be the best idea. Yeah, the wind is gusting, so I don't know. Maybe this wasn't the most. This may not be the smartest thing that we have ever done, but you know. Oh, the hose, yeah. Yeah, but tomorrow's supposed to rain now, but I heard. Take the kinks out.
The kinks out.
Oh, okay.
My fireman assistant.
Do you want to let it burn down?
Yeah, I'm gonna let it burn down.
Oh, we got a little leak. We got a leak here, Captain.
Alright.
What, does it still work?
Oh, you got one.
We got a leak coming out over here. I don't want to get wet. Show the fire. Oh, yeah.
Oh no! Man down.
Man down. Oh. Son of a gun. Okay, we did have one episode of doing actually lawn mowing. But now we're just being stupid and burning stuff. There it is. Yeah. Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't take much to, you know. Yeah, I don't want to do that.
Why?
Yeah.
She was my favorite.
Burn the chair down. Hey, what about that song called Burning Down the House?
There you go. Great song.
Burning Down the House? Yeah. Oh, damn it. I don't know. Oh, Talking Heads. This is JoJo Joe Lobo, man. And we'll get back to what we're doing. Well, if we don't burn the neighborhood down, we'll see you guys in the next Sound Adventure. Bye.
See you guys later. Bye.